Google Flow is turning into your new AI creator studio for both images and video. This includes bringing ImageFX and Whisk into the fold with Nano Banana Pro fully built into the core experience with precise editing and flexible media management. Looking at these key features, I love that this is a centralized and streamlined experience. I don't have to go into ImageFX, the Gemini app, or Whisk to use Nano Banana Pro. Once I'm in a project in Google Flow, I can go down to the bottom where the prompt field is, and if I click on this right here, I can configure the settings for image or video. I can choose the model that I want to use. There's Nano Banana Pro, Nano Banana, and Imagine 4. And if you'll see, it'll show you how many credits you'll use. Even if you use Nano Banana Pro, you still won't use any credits. So I can type in my prompt and then select the images that I want to use by clicking on these three dots, adding to the prompt. And I'll use this one as well. So this will give me the Whisk functionality to combine different images into one. There are options to generate multiple images, and the 2 images I requested generated pretty quickly. The best thing about this update is the drag and drop UX, the drag and drop functionality. Like here, you can upload your images and then drag one of the images into the prompt field and prompt Flow to create something for you. In your project, you can drag and select multiple images and drag them into the prompt field. But another cool feature of the prompt field is you can use the @ symbol to reference other images. So if you type @ it'll bring up all these images. You can search your images and then select the one you want and make edits to your base image, combining that with your reference image. Google's also added the editing capabilities that we have with Nano Banana in the Gemini app, where we can select objects that we want to change. So in Flow, if we have this video clip, click on the selection tool, select the area or the object that you want to edit, prompt it, and it'll make those changes for you. Flow will let you control the camera action. If you click on this camera button, you can zoom in, zoom out, control the camera rotation angle, or change the camera movement. If you found this useful, like the video and leave a comment. If you want more content on AI, workflow automation, and analytics, subscribe to the channel.